Hello friends, good morning to you all. This is the 123 YouTube channel from Southeast Nigeria, Abia State to be specific, where this project is going on. Right now we have completed lintels and beams casting, and you can see the blockwork is completed as well. Right now we are boarding for the deck, that is the ground floor deck, where we've commenced work properly for it. The engineer is on site and has given instructions to the carpenters on what to do, because most times it's important to be on site to inspect the job as prescribed in the drawing we are using, then to find out if actually they're doing what they're asked to do. So there's some corrections to be made, and they've taken notes. There's going to be running from here, connecting this pillar here to this, because of the length of the span is over 12 feet. So we're going to put a beam to carry the load to help support the deck, and as well as there's going to be a beam here. There's a beam design here from the structural engineer, and you've seen what has been done here so far. So work is commencing in earnest. We have materials to move faster this time around. So the carpenter and his team on site, to start boarding the various spaces that make up the apartments. So while a little correction is going to be made here, the plumbing services, there's some corrections as there's no window there, so there's going to be a correction so that there should be a window to serve this visitor's toilet. And also on this visitor's room, the client requested for double window, so we're going to make sure another window is created here. And again, looking at the drawing proper, we have a single window on this serving this visitor's room on the right side elevation from the drawing. But when you go up, you're going to notice the apartment upstairs that correspond to this space here has two windows. So the client observed that and said he wants an alignment of those features. So he has requested for another window to be carved out on this blockwork. So we are going to do that. The men have been instructed on what to do. Then again, when we come here, the family lounge, we have a staircase here. The engineer has actually instructed on what to do to get it done with perfection. So it's not going to be done today, while they are going ahead with boarding other spaces. On the day we're going to design the staircase, possibly we're going to run a live video for those of you that want to learn how to design the staircase, so you're going to have a live video coverage on that day. So join me as we design the staircase here. And not just there, there's going to be another staircase here. There's going to be, there's a staircase here. Yes. So there are two of them. This is one. This is one of the staircases. Yes. So you can actually access the first floor through here or through the family lounge. Yes. So as soon as we are done with boarding, the iron bender his team will move into site and commence the reinforcement for the deck. So And let's see what is happening here. And also, I think this side there's not much no changes here, no changes here. So for now, this is what we've been able to achieve, and we hope you like this video. Share, drop your comments, as well as subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and select all options so that every video we are dropping on this channel will be made available to you instantaneously. So thank you, and from here in Abia State, in your 123 YouTube channel, and my crew were saying thank you for viewing, and do have a great day. Bye.